said earlier on, I kind of didn't like it about when you say that some people say Wakashata, I'm not about Shata. No, you're not actually, you're very beautiful. It all depends. Everyone is beautiful. It all just depends with how you like comparing, you were saying the things that you do to make yourself look better. So don't say that.
No, what I meant with that was so many women hang on the fact that you have to have a beautiful face. And I said, for me, I never want to be a beautiful girl or a pretty girl. I want to be attractive. I don't care whether you think I'm pretty or I'm not pretty, because for me, I want to be attractive. And attractive means when you walk into a room, people notice. People's attention is on you.
Yeah, I totally got you. Just like for other women out there, it's not about that. You shouldn't even say those words to yourself because you're not that. You're just a woman as you are.